Hello friends, now we will discuss about IUPAC naming of complex compounds. Let us discuss about some rules of this system. Number 1. First, we name the positive ion of the complex compound. Positive ion is named first. Then negative ion. Number 2. If the complex part contain both ligand and metal, then we first name the ligand. Then the metal. Number 3. After the name of the metal, their oxidation states are written within a bracket. If the oxidation number is 2, in the bracket we write Roman 2. If the oxidation number of the metal is 3, in the bracket we write Roman 3, etc. Number 4. If more than one ligands are present, then the ligands are named alphabetically. As for example, if H2O and Cl minus both are present, then and the name of H2O in this system is aqua, AQUA, and name of Cl minus is chlorido. Since in alphabets A is coming first before C, so during naming we write first aqua, then chlorido. Point number 5. If the complex part is negative, then at the end of the complex we write ATE, 8. Let us take an example, K4 FeCN6. Here the complex part contains 4 minus charge. So during naming this compound we write potassium, first the positive ion, potassium, then the negative part, and in negative part both metal and ligands are present, and we name first the ligand then the metal, so the name is potassium hexacyanidophenate. Why ferrate? Because the complex part is negative, so the term At is added, and the oxidation number of iron is 2, so within bracket we write Roman 2, so the name is potassium hexacyanidophenate 2. So if the complex is negative we write 8, at the end of the methyl. Then we will write the oxidation number. And number 6, if the ligand contain terms like di, tri, etc. to indicate its number, we cannot use this term di-tri. If the ligand number is 2, we use the term bis. Bis means 2. If the number of ligand is 3, we write tris. Tris means 3. Let us take an example. CH2, NH2, CH2, NH2. This ligand is called ethane. Ethane because 2 carbon atom is there, so the term eth is used. Ethane 1,2 diamine. So here the word di indicating number, we cannot use the term di, tri, etc. Let us take an example. COEN whole 3 plus. Mind it, CH2 NH2 CH2 NH2 is represented as EN, ethane 1,2 diamine. Here the ligand contains the word di, so the name of the ligand is tris within bracket ethane 1,2 diamine cobalt. The charge of the complex is +3. Cobalt 3. So if the ligand name contain the word di, tri, etc., we cannot use di or tri in the name. To represent number 3, we use the term tris, not tri. This is all about IUPAC rules of complex compound. Now let us apply these rules to name the compound. Let us take an example. Example 1. A complex has formula CO. CO means cobalt. NH3 whole 3 H2O whole 2 Cl, bracket is closed, and outside the bracket Br2 is there. Now the complex part is positive because Br contain negative charge and 2 Br minus ions are there, so the complex contain +2 charge. The charge of the complex is +2. So therefore we name the complex part first, because according to the rule of IUPAC system, the positive ion is named first, and during the naming of the complex part, we first name the ligand. Now here 2 ligands are there. Amine, NH3 is called amine, and H2O, that is aqua, and Cl minus, it is also present in the coordination sphere, so, and its name is chlorido. So 3 ligands are there. First we name the ligand alphabetically. Now amine is preferred 1, so the name of the compound is triamine. Why triamine? Because 3 NH3 are there. Triamine diaqua. Chlorido. Cobalt. What is the oxidation number of cobalt here? NH3 and H2O contain no charge, Cl contain -1 and 2 Br minus are there. So total negative charge is 3 minus. So the positive charge of cobalt is 3. This is the oxidation number of cobalt. And we write this within bracket. So the name of the complex is triamine diaqua chlorido cobalt 3 bromide. Mind it, the number of the ligands which is present outside the coordination sphere is not required to mention the number for the ligands which are present outside the complex part, that is coordination sphere. We cannot write dibromide. We only write bromide. Now let us again discuss about the application of IUPAC rules for this complex. There are 3 types of ligands present in the coordination sphere, and according to alphabets they are named. First amine, then aqua, and after that chlorido. And then the central metal, that is cobalt, and after the name of the metal, its oxidation number is represented in Roman form within bracket, and then the ion which is present outside the ligand. Let us consider another example. Number 2, K4 Fe CN6. Now here the complex part is negative, and outside the complex part a positive ion potassium is present. We first name the positive ion, then the negative ion. So the name of the complex is potassium hexa cyanido ferret. Now let us explain the name. First of all, we name the positive ion, that is potassium. The positive part is this potassium part. So potassium, and then the complex part. In the complex part, we first name the ligand. Here only one ligand is present, that is Cn minus. It is called cyanido, hexacyanido. The spelling is wrong. This is cyanido, hexacyanido. Then the metal, that is iron. Here the complex part is negative, so Ate is added after the name. Ate, Ferrate, single T. Ate, potassium hexacyanido ferret 2. And why the oxidation number is 2? Because total positive charge of potassium is +4 and total negative charge of cyanide is -6. So the residual charge is -2. Hence, to neutralize this -2 charge, iron must contain a +2 charge. Therefore, the name of the complex is potassium hexacyanido ferret 2. Let us consider another example, that is CuNH3 whole 4 SO4. The name of the complex is tetramine, copper, 2 sulfate. Here the complex part is contain positive charge, so we name the complex word first. 4 amines are there, so tetramine, then the central metal copper, and after that its oxidation number is written within bracket, that is 2, and then sulfate. Now sulfate contain 2 negative charge and NH3 contain no charge, so the oxidation state of copper is +2, and it is written within a bracket. So the name of the complex is tetramine copper 2 sulfate. Another example, this is say CrEn whole 2 I2. NO3. What is the name of this complex? Now En is called ethane 1,2-diamine. The ligand contain the word di, so here we use the term bis to represent this 2 term, and I is called iodido. So the name of the complex is bis ethane 1,2 diamine. Iodido chromium 3 nitrate. Let us explain the name. Here ethane 1,2-diamine ligand is present and the number is 2, so the word bis is used, and 2 iodide is present, and in IUP system it is called iodido, diiodido chromium, and its oxidation number is 3 because iodine I minus, I contain 1 minus charge, 2 I minus are there and 1 NO3 minus, so total negative charge is 3 minus, therefore the oxidation number of chromium is 3 and the name is bis ethane 1,2-diamine diiodido chromium 3 nitrate. This is all about IUPAC namings of complex compound. Thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.